Good morning, children. In this session, we'll explain two syntaxes. Last class, I completed 4 syntaxes. Now, in this session, I'll explain two syntaxes. Those are one is if and one more is if else. So, first one is if. Note down the syntax of if. If syntax. Syntax of if. If condition open brace statement or statements. If the given condition is true, listen, if the given condition is true, it will enter into the block. This is a block. If the given condition is true, it will enter into the block and it will execute set of statements. If the given condition is false, it will not enter into the block. If the given condition is false, it will not enter into the block. So the example will execute in a BlueJ system. Open your BlueJ. Take the new class as if example. Take the new class as if example. Control A, delete. Take the class if example. Main method. Then declare variable. Initialize the variable. Any value. Initialize with any value. If condition. I'm using condition here a greater than 0. Open brace. System.out.println. Anything you have to write within double quotes. Either one statement or multiple statement. Here I am using only one statement. One statement or multiple statement. So it ends with semicolon. Close if, close main, close class, compile. No syntax errors. Condition is what? 5 greater than 0. 5 greater than 0, true or false? True. So it will enter into the block. It will execute this statement. What it is written by you? Positive. So the output is positive. Now close. See the output? Positive. For example, if the given condition is false, A less than 0, it is given by you less than 0. 5 is less than 0, false. So it will not enter into the block. So what is your output? You will not get anything, no output, because it will not enter into the block. See, no output. So this is an example for if. So one more, see here. If you are using I capital letter, sometimes you are using I capital letter if. So immediately it will display error. See, errors found. So if is a keyword in Java, you have to use lowercase letters only, no syntax errors. Now, if else syntax. No, if else syntax. Listen. If else syntax, you know. Syntax of if else. Syntax of if else. Second one. If else. Syntax note down. If condition statement. Either one statement or multiple statements. This is a syntax of what? If syntax it is. It is a syntax of if. Now, else if I include, it become if else syntax statement. Yes. If the given condition is true, If the given condition is true, it will enter into the block and it will execute one or multiple statements. If the given condition is false, it will execute else part. If it is true, it will execute if block. If it is false, it will execute else part. This is the syntax of if else. Now example I will execute in a BlueJ system. Take the new class. Take the new class if else. Example. Open BlueJ. Control A. Delete. Public class if else example. Class main. Public static void main. String args. Now same int A. A value initializes 5 or 6 or 7, any value. If A greater than 0, open brace, statement, println, positive, close if else part, system.out.println, use negative, close else, close main, close class, compile. Now here see, 5 is greater than 0. So what is your output? Positive. In this case, you will get output positive. Output C, positive. For example, A is less than 0. What is your output? It will not enter into the block because condition is false. 5 is not less than 0. So it will not enter into if block. It will execute else part. So what is the statement it is written by you within double quotes? Negative. So what is your output? Negative. Compile, close, right click, void main. Okay. So this is the output for you. So these are the two syntaxes in this session. One is if, one is if else. So thank you. Next session, remaining syntaxes.